No, it's like a nice red grouper. Actually, it's kind of running. Running, huh? I don't know what this is.
Shark.
I hope it's not a shark. I mean, I hooked him on the bottom. He was digging like a grouper at first. I don't know. Could be a cobia.
Well, give him, pull him. Pull him back.
It's 20-pound leader on a Stratic 5K.
It's got the light rod.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Could be an amberjack.
It's 100 feet.
Yeah, fishing 92 feet. About 30 miles offshore, St. Pete. First spot was a bust. Tons of fish on the bottom, but nothing wanted to really play. So made a little move and
Yep.
it was instant as soon as we dropped the first bait down.
Yep.
Just released a 20-inch red grouper. Oh my goodness,
Yeah.
that's a red grouper. I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think. Hey, we can't all lean on the same side. It's a small boat.
Oh shit, it is red grouper.
Oh my goodness. That's why he was running. I was thinking that in the back of my mind. I was like, this could just be a really big red grouper just working me right now. But oh my gosh, that's a fire truck.
Whoa. Nice.
Gosh,
Look at
what
that.
a fat sucker.
Beautiful red grouper. A little Stratic,
Oh my gosh, look, he's
5K.
barely hooked. Barely
Yeah.
hooked.
barely hooked. I don't know if you can see that.
Let's see. God,
Man. Fought
can't fit.
fought really good.
One more time. Oh, he's trying.
Alright, do you want a picture together with this guy?
Oh yeah.
Oh, he's peeing. He's peeing.
Oh my gosh, he just peed. He was squirting everywhere.
Right here. Put the the pec fin right there. Right behind it.
There we go.
Hear that air coming out.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you can hear it. Alright. He ran.
Gonna make it?
Oh yeah, he's
good.
he's kicking. You see those air bubbles coming out of him?
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. Just let him decompress a little bit.
Wow, lots of air.
Yeah.
And the release.
Alrighty.
This bad boy go. Woo! Woo! Scared me.
And he's gone. Healthy release.
Nice.
Love to see it. Nice little amberjack. All right, let's send him. That was a good pinfish.
Yeah. Oh, it's really good. Oh, that's not big. I don't. Oh, come on up.
Is it a pork?
Oh, mangrove.
Nice.
Nice. That's the
Finally.
one.
Can we get that
Yes,
one?
we can.
Oh,
yeah.
he's a good size too.
Yeah.
He's not small.
Well, yeah, that's the
He's
one we're
what?
after.
Nice.
All right, Bubba.
Yeah, mangrove.
Oh, wait.
Double?
Did I just... Can I rocks? I don't know.
Oh, no, it's the one.
Oh my gosh, you got another huge porgy. Dude,
Pretty big.
that's a big porgy.
Yeah.
That was a pin?
No, shrimp.
Okay.
That's a netter. That's a 20-inch man.
Woo!
Whoa.
That's the one that stole that pinfish.
Oh, that's probably it.
There
Yeah.
you go.
Yeah.
Nice.
A little shrimp on
Shrimp? I saw you
a...
put a pin.
no, yeah, no,
Yeah.
that was a greenback. You're right.
Wow. Oh.
Told you there's some 20-inch mangroves here.
Oh,
Oh, are you
put
on?
a J-hook on that, huh? You show the camera.
Yeah, you have a.
I don't know.
Beautiful mang.
I'm not sure if I'm nice.
You want to put them on the tape?
Yeah.
I think I'll,
Yeah, you have a fish.
yeah.
Oh yeah.
I do.
Yeah. Wow.
That's a big fish.
You guys on video.
You thought you were rocked or something. He was sleeping.
That's what I thought.
He was sleeping. All right.
Yeah, I'm fin fish, but
Yeah.
I don't know.
That's gonna be a big grouper.
Let me just hold it for a little bit.
Oh,
Cannot reel it.
congrats, Steven.
Thank you, thank you. Let's get another one. We're chewing now. All right, put that mang in the box, Hodge. We need hands on deck. Capitalize on the bite.
Oh yeah, mine just let go.
Oh my gosh. I don't know if we're gonna get him up.
Yes, we are.
No.
Yes, we are.
He's back on the bottom.
You are. Let's get it up.
Oh my gosh.
Stop crying.
Strongest on the boat.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh. No amount of gym will ever prepare you for this
Dude,
workout.
maybe it's a shark. I know I keep saying this, but I feel like this has happened before.
I think there's a Goliath.
Oh.
Oh! He is not happy.
Uh-huh.
He's coming up though, slowly.
You're mine?
Yeah, you have me probably.
Oh yeah, mine just let go.
Oh my gosh. I don't know if we're gonna get him up.
Yes, we are.
No.
Uh-huh. Yes, we are.
He's back on the bottom.
You are. Let's get it up.
Oh my gosh.
Stop crying.
Strongest on the boat.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh. No amount of gym will ever prepare you for this
Dude,
workout.
maybe it's a shark. All right, well, while we wait, let me show you what we have in the box.
Look, you like big fish.
Not that big.
Here we go. Oh, some mangs.
It is big.
Pretty mangs, some porgies, some strawberry groupers. This guy. Beautiful big porgy. Another cute porgy. Another big porgy. Another big man.
Holy smoke. Look at
You see him?
They
Oh,
like,
the jelly.
look at that. They're like 40 feet. Oh, I see it. It's a big shark.
Oh yeah.
Oh no.
Oh,
It's a shark.
Big
I don't know.
Son of a.
Damn, that sucks.
You're right on.
I know. It's okay, you didn't have to say it.
Whoa. That's a big missy. Whoa.
Ooh, beautiful.
He's fat.
Big one.
That's probably 10 feet
Woo.
at least.
Go drag to him. Oh,
Wow. We're trying to save the weight here. You get it?
got the weight.
Oh, good.